Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in. So today I will be showing you guys how I bleached my hair this color and everything else in between. So if you want to know how I also achieved this look, please stay tuned. This is excluding the makeup. If you would like a tutorial on that, please subscribe down below and leave a comment asking about makeup tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay guys, so right here I'm just showing you this messed up wig. It is a Yaki 16-inch and I'm going to transform her. Pardon me if you hear my daughter in the background talking. She's doing that per usual and I'm doing me being a mama. Alright, back to the video. So right here you can see me cutting the hair using a comb and scissors. I am not a professional. I did not go to hair school. I'm actually self-taught. I just thought about jazzing this little bad boy up before I went out for a date night. So, hey Mamacita. She's up here yelling, guys. She's trying to be the narrator, of course. Everything I do, she wants to do. So, yep, I'm just going on in and cutting her. As you see me with my little cornrows in. Just doing that cutting thing there. That's a cricket, but it's not. It actually came out pretty well, guys. So, yeah. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. This is actually one of my first videos. So, yep, there she is, all pretty. And now I'm going in with some BW and Clariol 40 bleach. Just going in, no gloves. I should be wearing gloves. And I didn't, because I didn't have any. Like I said, it was a quick little date night. I'm up there woo-hooing because my fingers were burning. But the unit actually turned out pretty well. So yeah, just quick, simple, fast little look. And there I am doing a Snapchat video for my Snapchatters. So yeah, this is how it looked. No flat iron, no nothing, just blow dried out. And boom. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of how I did this look. It didn't even take long actually, but also if you guys want any makeup tutorials, like I said before, please leave comments down below. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and thumbs it up. Okay, thanks for tuning in, guys.